that time of year again?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So I guess we're going to decorate some cookies like we
Again?
do every year. You don't look very Christmassy.
Green shirt. No, we talked about the hat thing. No,
How about
his hair cannot be covered up.
Could we take a vote from our live studio audience?
There's no live studio audience. This is
Grr, cat. She's usually so vocal. You could wear my apron.
Here, I'll increase the. I'll make the Christmassy more Christmassy right now.
Why do I not trust this? Oh. Okay, but that just doesn't stop.
Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. He shouldn't have drumsticks in his hands. He has like steak knives in his hand. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go straight to the cookies because I don't want this to be a half-hour thing. You need a drink. I know you do. So I have this thing. I found. Just got a little.
What is that?
It's a gingerbread spice sort of drink, but I'm adding.
You've been brewing in your cauldron all day?
Yeah, but I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. I've got 2 cups of milk. I use coconut milk. And I've got 2 tablespoons of molasses.
It's a good thing I'm lactose incompetent.
And we're going to swirl that all up.
There's booze in there, right?
Not yet, but there will be.
What kind of booze?
Rum.
Oh, the Myers rum.
Well, it's what we have. It's what we made the rum balls out of.
See, now you should say, okay, whatever. That's all we ever have is the good stuff, the good rum. We never have the bad rum.
Okay. But we don't actually often have rum. So.
Well, we don't. I do, but we don't.
And I made up this gingerbread spice.
Now you're going to wreck the rum.
Yeah. 2 pinches. Okay. No! Naughty. You'll be on Santa's naughty list.
I'm always on Santa's naughty list.
Ooh-wee.
Get thirsty over here.
Alright. It's going to be hot though.
Is it hot? What are you cooking it? Oh boy. Taster time! If you know, you know.
It smells really good.
Look at him.
Joyeux Noël.
Say that again?
Merry Christmas. So, we are cookie making today.
Ow!
I've already.
Raquel will eat your heart out.
We're going to start with rum balls.
More rum!
We are celebrating rum tonight.
I celebrate rum almost every night.
Now the thing about these rum balls is I've made them with almond flour. Usually you make them with a vanilla wafer. Well, I made these vanilla wafers with an almond flour, and I used Splenda, and it would have been completely sugar-free. I know. Except I felt I needed to use the corn syrup, so there is a little bit of sugar in here. Carry on, let's make some rum balls.
So these are keto, right?
They are, except for the little bit of corn syrup. Nope, not yet. Have you washed your hands?
I was going to just use a spoon.
We can wait. I hope everybody...
You got dead air. Don't let them get the dead air.
I was actually talking. I was hoping that everybody's had a really wonderful holiday season. I know these blizzards have been a little inconvenient. But boy, oh boy, that's snow. Just in time for Christmas.
So, some of you may have seen a picture of me mocking winter in my summer attire out back when it was minus 21, minus 37 with a wind chill. Well, Mother Nature wasn't happy, so I had to go do it all over again. So that's not fun at all.
So for the coatings, we either have unsweetened coconut, I've got dark chocolate shaved, I've got some crushed walnut.
What's that? Is that like cocaine?
No, it's icing sugar, but what it is it's a Splenda icing sugar, and you can make that by using 3 cups of Splenda and 8 tablespoons of cornstarch, and you just do it 1 cup of Splenda at a time.
You dump it in your hand and...
You make a little ball.
Is that enough?
Make a little ball. That's a little too much, but whatever. And then...
That's a spicy beat the ball. How's that?
That looks good. How are you going to prep it?
In the oven?
No, what coating do you want to use?
All of them.
No, that just doesn't work.
Why not?
Because there's only enough sticky for so much.
That doesn't make any sense.
Right now the rum ball is sticky.
Look, done.
Done.
And good night.
Okay. So
this is much better than decorating the things.
This year we didn't take any exotic travel in the fall, although
Gimli's exotic, isn't it?
It is, but actually we did go to Halifax in September.
I need some of this cocaine.
We went to Halifax in September and hung out with my Uncle Pat and wandered around the waterfront.
Ate lobster.
Yeah, ate some lobster, ate a lot of fish, and had a really good time. So there was that. We went to Halifax. That was after just a very busy summer. And then I went to Vernon. I think I went a couple of times. I just like...
She can't stand me. That's why she went to Vernon.
I just appreciate you.
You're driving me nuts!
I just appreciate you.
That's a cool...
I just appreciate you so much more.
I ain't deaf, you know.
You just never let me get a word in.
Oh, pot, kettle, black.
We all believe that.
Yeah. So you just like pop that on and smack that in and
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah.
And then you eat it?
Eat it.
You don't gotta cook them, that's right. Well, I won't.
It's prepared. You can be my taste tester, but then you gotta wash your hands again.
You wanna do that?
So that is the rum balls. I mean, we're not finished, but that could take a very long time, but they're gonna turn out really nice, I think. I'm pretty pleased.
You do something.
No, it's good. It's good.
That's good, but I got it.
Oh, I think it's really tasty. So all this is I used a cup full of, actually it's oat milk. I used oat milk, but I doubled the recipe for 2 of us, so 2 cups.
Oh,
of
so
oat
there's no
milk.
lactose then?
Correct.
Good, because like I said before, I'm lactose inherent, insipid. I don't know.
You have no dietary issues.
That's not what you said last night when I was 20
You
minutes
gotta
in the...
stop eating sauerkraut before bed. It's good. I don't think you needed that extra bit.
Oh, it's better now.
Okay, so
Wow.
So this year we will have these rum balls, and they
That's
will
it?
be.
We're done?
We're not done, but we're not going to spend
Oh, man, yeah.
an hour doing rum
Yeah.
balls.
I'll just few minutes, and you can spend an hour doing rum balls later.
I mean, seriously, that's what happens.
Whilst I watch the PDC World Championship darts from England, it's on time delay, so I can watch that.
So those are very low sugar for anybody that is looking to keep their sugar down or has some diabetic issues. It's not completely diabetic or keto because, like I said, first I made a monk fruit syrup, and I tried a monk fruit syrup.
With real monks?
And tried to thicken it with xanthan gum, but I left it in the fridge overnight and it all crystallized, so it's just like...
How come xanthan gum starts with an X, but it sounds like a Z?
This sounds like something that you read as a meme on Facebook.
Nope.
You got it though.
Do you want to try my version of your... Go ahead.
It's actually, it's good, but I prefer the less sugary. Unsweet enough? I don't know. Okay, so we have got some icings ready to go here for some sugar cookies.
Smurf colored,
Yeah.
canary colored,
And
Grinch colored,
I've
and Caucasian.
got just 3 different cookies this year that
Do we have enough cutting boards?
And I used my vintage cookie cutters, and these are what I got. These nice little trees, these nice little stars, and these nice little bells.
You don't have snowman this year that I can't make faces on and have them like bleeding and things.
No, but I still have the googly eyes for you.
These Google with the googly eyes.
So what I've got here is in this bag, this white one.
Why don't you use scissors? You're gonna hurt yourself.
It's a little bit thicker than the other ones.
It's good to have a steady work base when you're dealing with sharp instruments.
Yeah. So with this, you can, if it's a little bit thicker, so it should be good for doing things like buttons or maybe a line.
That's coming out so slow.
Yeah, it is so slow.
Can I do one?
You gotta do it you don't cut it wide. Yeah. Anyway, this is just a royal icing. Sugar.
What makes it royal? Does it like... Actually, I just saw a thing, I didn't look at it, but Alton Brown had a little snippet on his channel, royal icing. He had something on fire.
That is runnier, so it's really good for flooding. That's why if
Like algae?
That's why if you put just...
That's a tree. I need a tree.
Anyway.
Wow, 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 wow.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby.
So this happened. The battery pack went. I don't know how much comedy we left on the floor, but whatever.
Comedy? You call this comedy?
So yeah, there's teal.
Oh, that's not teal. That's green. That's 100% green. It's just that was a
blue to it to make it more tealy.
It was already drying, so.
Yeah, it is. It's getting. It's got a skin on it already. It's alive.
So I have a couple of really nice translucent
What's this?
powders.
Translucent powders.
Yeah.
Is this like meth? This is like meth.
Why do you keep relating everything to illegal substances?
I know.
This is a family show.
It is a family show.
Speaking of family,
Oh yes.
oh my gosh. So last year we had our lovely little grandbaby.
Well,
came
our
into
daughter
life.
had our little baby.
I said came into our life.
You know what? That's not going to work now.
What's not gonna work? Oh, his spell isn't gonna work. That's okay.
That's my little Pac-Man ghost. See, it's a Pac-Man ghost.
Okay. Hey, that does look like a Pac-Man. All
I should
right.
put googly eyes on him though.
Yeah.
Maybe he's dead.
That's okay.
Yes.
So little Theodora is just the most adorable baby.
Theodorable.
She truly, truly is. She's bringing a lot of joy to her. She's a happy girl. Our favorite video ever is one where her parents, Aaron, I think it was Aaron, might have been Aaron.
Oh, that sweetness goes to the bottom. It wasn't very well mixed.
Right? Anyway, she's just going on about happy.
Hi.
Hi. And she says wow. Hi. She also is very good at saying wow. Oh, there's the cat saying wow now.
Raus!
You know, every now and then we do these self-tape auditions. I cannot tell you, for a while there, we felt a need to try to get one done. This is useless. Try to get one done without the cat coming in and wrecking it, or standing out the door and, you know, just yelling at us, wondering why we're not letting her in. And now I think we're just going to go with it. So, you know, Jim, Carmen, anybody else who occasionally gets us to self-tape, sometimes there's just going to be a cat. And that's just how it's got to go. Because
No, the cat's got to go. I mean, that cat's got to go. You know what I mean? It's got to go.
But then the cat comes back.
No, if never mind. I won't get this family
I'm pretty.
show.
Huh?
Nothing?
No, I'm referencing the song.
I'm referencing the mob. When something's got to go, that means it's got to go.
Well, Gur is
Not long for this world?
our companion, our household companion. So, you know, you gotta be nice to her. You don't always have to be big time mean to her.
I'm not always big time mean to her.
You're kind of big time mean to her. And she loves you most. Turnip
She's
loves me
the only one that loves me.
Oh, baby. I'm sorry. Don't you think I love you?
Yeah, you know what? This is useless. It comes out too thick. I don't know what it is. It's just...
Well, it's because I didn't add enough liquid. But I can try
I'll
to
run it
remedy.
under the tap. Maybe that'll help.
I can actually try to remedy this. It might not work,
Put some oat milk in it.
but I'm gonna try.
Yeah, this isn't working out well at all.
It's okay.
No, I don't like the look of this
here's
at
what
all.
we're gonna do.
I'm taking care of it. It's
So
gotta
these-
go. It's gotta go.
These cookies are not sugar light. What I need you to do, honey, is I need you to pinch the end and hold it tight. Oh gosh. You can let go. I know I kind of set myself up for that. I really didn't mean to. Okay, I wonder if I could do this with this.
What are you gonna pitch it for?
Because I'm adding water and I'm going to mix it around.
It's like you're gonna add some water in there and you're gonna...
I know, this is going to be another one of my grand ideas. I just know.
Let's say some sort of... I don't know what that looks like. Satanic...
No, it doesn't. It looks like a cookie that has a big bite out of it. You look like Cookie Monster. You just always try to be like this really rough guy. Tough. He's a teddy bear. Well, okay, he's not a teddy bear.
Out!
I remember back in your NAV Canada days when we were hanging out with some of the people that you
Why do we
worked
have two
with.
glasses here?
Because that's what.
That's
yeah,
yes.
they were just standing up there. I think you're gonna find this is a lot better.
I'm not using it anymore.
Oh, but I went through all
No,
this
it's.
experimental effort.
I'm trying to use diversity. The white stuff could go sit over there, next to the cocaine and the coconut over there.
Try it.
No.
I want to make a
Oh
mustache.
no!
This will be a lot of fun. Food fight.
No!
Give me your hand.
No.
Testing.
You're dripping all over the floor of the water because it didn't get
No,
absorbed
it did.
into the.
It was just the end of it. So that's just the end of it.
Okay, so we should end this off because this is getting kind of long. So we should have a toast or let's have a toast. You got where's your stuff? Where's your nog or whatever it is?
It's right here, but can
I don't have any left.
Can I just test this once?
Yes, you can.
I just want to see if my work. It worked! It's lovely! It's making a perfect line.
Of cocaine. You're dripping into your sparkles.
No, that's just the end of it. Okay, anyway. So, we didn't get very far today, but we have made a couple of...
Oh, I made twice as many as you did.
I know.
Oh no, you made that blue one over there.
But I was busy just, you know...
See now the blue one, with the...
Mine is the best.
Oh, you had
treat.
3. Okay.
Let us
So
compare
I lose
treats.
apparently.
You did not lose. You ate one of your cookies.
That's right.
So who has the best treat? You can comment below. If
Or you could choose to keep your mouth shut. Anyways,
In any case, this is
here's looking up your old address.
a wonderful time of the year. We wish you the very best. Hope to see you soon, if not this holiday season, then in the new year. Merry Christmas.
Joyeux Noël. See, that's the way you're supposed to say it.
Isn't that what I said?
No, not even close.